So, welcome to my study. I thought I'd start a playlist regarding different books that I have or I use that I find useful. Maybe if you're new and starting to study plants, insects, become a bit of a naturalist. The idea being that I can perhaps pass on some wisdom or not. Anyway, this is one of the books I use pretty regularly. It's a wildflower book of Britain and Northern Europe by Richard Fitter, Alistair Fitter and Marjorie Blamey. I got 2 of these from the charity shop. I've given one away. They're about £2 or £3 and you often find them, and they are just superb. They show you the real detail of each book and also descriptions. So there is a fantastic Facebook page, but not everybody knows everything, and it is really good to learn yourself. And there's descriptions in here to the different types and shapes, you know, the pinnate, that you might read somebody, you know, has written terms that you don't understand, and it's great to learn. So that is the first book to talk about, and if I just show you on the front, look, is the meadow crane's bill. Funny that. These have all evolved with the insects and different animals, and also the geranium fame. And I've brought in a crane's bill there, which is the meadow crane's bill geranium pratense, and I've brought in, still flowering in the middle of June, geranium fame lily lovell. That's just a chive in flower now, Brisa maxima, another geranium, and that's geranium magnificum. And then it's got an added name, I can't remember. But back to the book. I'll add some as I go, just to try and help and share. But what, they're also beautiful. Look at the artwork in this, for heaven's sake. So great. And I really do recommend it. But one thing to say, by the time I've got all my books on this playlist, I would probably reach about 150. Anyway, happy gardening for wildlife.